You didn't hear any of that? Oh man, what a good speech I just gave. Damn it. Good morning. Sorry, I shoved a donut in my face. Look at that boat. That's a boat. That's Requiem's boat. I was testing it yesterday. Looks totally fine. Very strange. So, yeah. Let me start over. Good morning, Requiem. Good morning, Triangles. Good morning, Giorgio. I like Mondays. Am I crazy? You think I'm crazy? Yeah, Unity's a problem. You must have had weird light settings. Strange. I need your help. I need all of your help. Because this feature I started adding, I realized like, wait, how is it supposed to, how should it work? How should it work? And I'm like, this can go 3 different ways, and I don't know which way to do it. And I kind of gave up last night because I just didn't know what the best way to do was. So, I have questions for you all. We were working on the build mode GUI, which should allow you to switch build modes within the build mode. So if you're decorating floors, the answer is 2. Let me finish. If you're decorating floors, you want to switch to walls real quick, right? FB, back baby, hell yeah. Oh man, FB, we watched Nico's vlog yesterday. It was all about you, and we basically just showed your costume off to everyone. Yeah, yesterday. It was great. That's FB. That was the man with the costume, the Venom cap. He did make you the star. 42? That's close. That's probably closer to the answer. It's because it was great. It's worth the attention. But now I'm trying to figure out some stuff about this build mode functionality. If you want to switch build modes really quick to just the next build mode, is it based on what item is next to the item that you have in your inventory, or should it just cycle through all the build modes? And if you have the item, it enters it. And if you don't have the item, it doesn't enter it. And then it just cycle. Or should it enter it even if you have 0 and then say you have 0? I didn't want to do this. This is like, I remember starting this project 3.5 years ago, and I'm like, it's not going to be like The Sims where you enter build mode. But here we are entering a build mode. You're mostly famous now? Yeah. That video has, what is that, 400,000 views? Was it 400,000? No, it's 25. Still. Okay. Is build mode also used for placing decorations? Yes. So that's another thing. It has to be based on like the inventory slot you're on. A lot of companies are calling you. Yeah, you should go work for a movie studio that makes costumes. I thought you were talking about Unity builds. Very confusing. Yeah, let me just jump in and I'll show you guys. So I don't know who was around last night when I was, or yesterday afternoon. Yeah. So here we have, so each one of these things is a build mode, right? This is demolition, floors, walls, doors, and then these are decorating. So we go into door decoration mode. Boom. Build doors. If I want to switch, if I hit this button, like to the next build mode, should that go to decorating the bed? Or should that go left? I mean, or should that like just go to the next kind of build mode. And then when I get to beds, and if I hit right, should it go to decorating the sign? And when I hit right, should it go to decorating this? And when I hit right again, should it search my entire inventory until it comes back to the beginning and sees demolition mode? And should it enter demolition mode? Is that how it should work? That's how I started making it. And then I realized that I didn't think I had these two buttons mapped, like X and L. I forgot that I do have them mapped, and that's how you go from floor to floor. So I need two more buttons on controllers to do these. The issue is that you're using the use action on the door to start the build mode. You don't like that? What do you think it should be? You think it should be like a whole separate context menu? Build mode should have a button, much like M for... yeah, I just didn't want to do that. Didn't wanna. I'd have it move through the inventory, just like hitting those buttons work outside build mode. Right. Okay. So triangles, that's like what I wanted to do because it's easier for me. It's almost done. Right and left on the D-pad. Yeah, Giorgio, that's probably what I'll do. Although I might actually make... What I might actually do is make K and L changing build modes. Like R2, L2. And then up and down on the D-pad will change floors. Because that makes more sense. An up and down button to go up and down the floors. Because R2 and L2 changed floors before. And that's confusing. It was always like, which one's up, which one's down. I've been playing the game for like 3 years, and I still get it wrong. So what I did was I took away the functionality. I took away your ability to like select these. Like you can no longer select these. There was a bug where you could, but I took it away. So now when you put these down, so I'll put some down. Hey, this used to refocus, so now it doesn't focus anymore, which is good. Oh, look at that. Why did this go away? Sky Ninja. How do I do this? Alright, Sky Ninja. Alright, we'll get back to build mode stuff in a sec. Let's make Sky Ninja's model. You have to describe. You basically have to make... Oh, now you have the alpha. So use the customized character creator and then send me a screenshot of what you want. Because that's basically all the tools I have. Alright, moving through the hotbar makes sense. Alright, I'm going to continue down that path. Why did these buttons unfocus? Oh, because the confirmation window went up. Oh, that's so annoying. No. That means that the build mode needs to be set as the confirmation button's parent GUI. It used to be the hotbar for some reason. It used to go... So, yeah. That's tricky. That's tricky. GUIs are the worst. Managing what is seen when, and what I've noticed is that pop-ups are the worst. Everything is kind of fine, you know. You close it, you open it. You close it, you open it. You close it, you open it. But when you need to go deep into a GUI, okay, fine. Now there's like a parent structure where you close the child, the parent reignites, and then you close that parent, and then that parent reignites. Okay, fine. Now there's like a structure for hierarchical GUIs. And I'm in the territory of like, oh, what if a GUI is just like a pop-up and you don't even know when it's going to be thrown, and yeah, it just doesn't have a parent, and Do you know about Rise of Industry? It's praised for his UX. I do not know about that. You love making GUIs? I mean, they're satisfying when you get them to work. It's the insane. Less is more. Should be as lean as possible. Yeah. So let's see. How can I make this build window reignite? Like reactivate when you close the confirmation window. I'm gonna worry about that later. Let's just get... I just want to like switch build modes. I'm gonna do the inventory thing. So I already have it, like sort of. The build mode manager. What it does is it's got a thing for the left button. It's got a thing for the right button. Is switching build modes same as choosing a different inventory and auto using? Yes. Yeah. So it's like, you know, if you're in floor decoration mode and you see wall decorations are right next to it in the hotbar, you just want to click one button and boom, you're in it. That's what we're doing. So right button pressed. What it does is it finds your currently selected item. It cycles through your inventory for the next item that is a build mode, and then it returns that. So right here. So select this, right? So in this for loop, I'm selecting the next thing that is a build mode. We're checking if it is a build mode. There is 5 build modes, and so now that we found one, I need to write all the logic to switch, right? So normally when you switch a build mode, it is you're hitting the escape key in that mode, right? So I need to simulate that. So I made a new event called request cancel. So every build mode now listens for request, or that's what I started adding last night. So right now they listen for interact, cancel button. They all listen for cancel button. But now we want to listen for request cancel, which is it's funny, it's like a decoration event, and none of these listen for decoration events. They all trigger decorating events. What do they listen for? They don't listen for anything. They listen for input, and that's it. Huh. Should I throw a fake cancel button? Press? No, I can't do that. That's dirty. Right? That's dirty. Is that dirty? If I throw a fake cancel button? It would make my life way easier. One line of code. Done. Fake cancel button on press. Otherwise, I need to add an event listener to each one of these just to listen to this request cancel. Which I think I need to do. So, I don't like when scripts trigger events and listen for the same events. Then it's like, why not just have a hard connection to them? But we're gonna do it. All right, we're gonna just listen to the events. I'm just gonna put the listener in every single one of these. All right, how's everyone doing this Monday? Y'all good? Mondays could be hard for some. Oh yeah, and I broke spinning items, didn't I? Left trigger, right trigger, they spin. But spinning doesn't work. Feeling a bit freaky in case of the Mondays. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Case of the Mondays. Too much to do this week. I'm scared. Mikey Bo, how's it going? Requiem. Absolutely. And thanks for the rubber duck about the boat yesterday. So yeah, you figured it out. That's good. Was it the bias thing that someone else mentioned? But it's nice to see you, FB. It's nice to see you too. Wait a minute, I need to override on enable. I need to override it. Private. No, what is it? Protected. Override. Void on enable. There we go. Oops. Been watching Git Amend on YouTube. He's great at teaching dev patterns. Ooh, I never heard of that. It's just a built-in render pipeline. That's all weird. Lots of people have the same issues. Ah, okay, yeah. Use URP. There's no reason not to. Wait, what? This.mm start listening? What? Start listening? Decorate event? What? Did I spell it wrong? Event start listening. I see. And then it's on disable. Okay. You made something. Shall I send it on the Discord here? We're here? Send it on the Discord. Just DM it to me. Change the color for hat? Well, if it's not in the game, I'm not gonna add more colors right now, but you just get to design what's, and then also you have to name him or her, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Just name them. Yes, I watched The Hobbit last night. The Hobbit, Battle of Five Armies. I like The Hobbits. I don't care what anyone says. Good morning, Ryan. How's it going? So basically, I need to put this code everywhere. And it's gonna flicker. So here's also the problem. These controller modes, these build modes, they know how to exit themselves. They don't know how to exit themselves cleanly. They know how to clean themselves up. It's possible I need to implement a generic function that's clean up, and then another generic function that instead of is like exit, it's like re-enter play mode. So I can call cleanup and then go to the next one instead of just exiting and re-entering. That's better than my teenagers. What is? All right, Sky Ninja, let's see what you got. You want to make the hat reddish black? All right, well, I'm not gonna add colors right now, but I'll make this guy. All right, let's make Sky Ninja's guy. He did the redeem. What's their name? Name is Zach. Do I have a Zach already? Nah. Oh, how to clean up after themselves. Okay. What is this? What did I do? I added some stuff. I didn't. Wait, what? I finished implementing it. Yes, I did. It's here. It's implemented. We start, we stop, and we do it. Curious about that pipeline. How do you do the design thing? Is it a redeemable answer? What do you mean, the design thing? Which design thing? Designing guests? Designing controller modes? I don't have a Zach. No Zach. Let's grab Clay. Guest Clay. I'll dupe guest Clay. And we'll make a Zack from him. Designing characters, I mean? Do you send a tool to people when they redeem? No, you just use the in-game character creator. Before I had the in-game character creator, I'd create it on screen and I'd hit random until someone said stop. But now that there's a character creator, it makes it easy. So I don't have like custom, I don't make custom models. I just, I just allow you to do that.
Booyah, Grandma.
What?
Booyah.
Oh my god, it's ML Jesus. How's it going? It's been a while. Where have you been? How are you doing? Guys, I haven't seen ML Jesus stream in a while, but I love hanging out with him. Click that follow button. How you doing? Alright, let's do this. Let's add your character. So... It's funny, I don't have a clean way to choose exactly the thing, so I just hit random until I get what I want. There we go. You're all good? Aching from my first sparring session yesterday. How you been? I've been good. I've been getting a lot done. So I think these are the eyes you chose. You just wanted a different color. Someone redeemed, Sky Ninja redeemed to design a guest, so that's what we're doing right now. Was it brown or black? Looks black. There we go. And then you want the suit jacket. The hat change color for the entire game if you change its color? If I wanted to change the color of the hat, I'd have to make a new hat. Oh, which eyebrows are those? Can't tell. You have a hat on. I guess it doesn't matter. It's that mouth. It's the lighter mouth color. Yep. You got them glasses on. Okay, the glasses, can you tell me which glasses you're using? Because there's a lot of glasses. It might take a while to randomly get them. Might take all day. I should I should make a button that's like export character. So I can just plug it in. Jesus, add me to the alpha. Are you on Discord? Get in there, Jesus. Let me just find your shirt. I'll find your shirt first. It's the suit. That one? And then it's black? Wait, no, how is your undershirt not white? Oh, that's weird. Okay. And then light pants. There you go. There's the alpha, all for you. No one else. No one else has redeemed that. Isn't that crazy? No one else wants to play the game. Not one person. You'd think someone would want to play. I've had that redeemed for like a month. Alright, so you got the Converse. Red Converse. Low tops, though. You got them low tops. No, not the high top. The low tops. There we go. So now we just need to get that hat on you. Some random hat. Come on. Come on. Get it quick. Hat and the glasses. Yeah, Sky Ninja's got a cold. Stayed up too late last night. You just did not want to go to bed. I saw you all up in Seto's stream hours after you said you wanted to go to bed. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost there. Come on. Yes! Nailed it! Oh, those aren't it. Those are the sunglasses. Damn it. I'm lurking everywhere. I'm lurking everywhere. It's a problem. I need to figure out how to get off Twitch. How do you get off Twitch? Like, how do you close it? There we go. Ah, no, those are different. Come on. I'm just gonna have to find them. Fine, I'll just find them. Is it the first ones? Is it the first ones? Oh my god. Go to Japan, there's a wife there. Yeah, that's actually true. But I, still be alone all day. She goes to work. I will be working from home. The old homework. So is it really just one? Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, if I hit assemble current definition. Okay, it recreates the same thing. So the glasses prop. That's weird that it doesn't have an override. I've been randomizing it this whole time. See, is it one? Assemble. I think we did it. Are those the ones? They don't look like the ones, actually. Can you tell me which ones they are? Just want to get it right. Not these. Oh, is it these? It's these. 26. 26. Alright, we did it. We did it. 26. Assemble. Boom, we did it. Okay. There's Zach. There you go. He's in the game. I just gotta make a actor. A new guest called Guest Zach. Haven't made a character in a while. Not since Guest Mikey. Use display name. Zach? Right? Is that it? Yep. We're done. Boom. There you go, Sky Ninja. Your very own NPC that you can call yours. You want to go back to what I said earlier? I never remember what I say on these streams. It's just a constant like flow of words, and once they leave my mouth, it's gone. It's gone from my brain. Oh yeah. No one's joined the alpha yet except ML Jesus. I have 40 keys to hand out. I've only handed out one. Listen, guys. I only did this because I don't want to hear his shit anymore. I did that because I'm sick of hearing his shit. What a freaking... What an ass. Making me do that. He beat me down. He just beat me down. Best friends. Not anymore. That just cost you. You paid that with our friendship. You're no longer friends. Now I don't have to hear your shit anymore. Alright. So where were we? I will start with... Alright. So here's what we really need to do. Drama? No. Georgia, this is totally fake. I hope you guys know this is fake. I wouldn't give someone a sub if I didn't like them. Alright. So should I do it the long way, where I devise a generic way to clean up a function, and then exit that function, and then when I switch build modes, I'm not actually exiting, I'm only cleaning it up? The usually so chill Andrew got fangs. I got fangs! Caveman, good morning, how's it going? Yeah, we got trolls in the audience today. Bunch of trolls. Who's the person that played the game yet? Well, it depends. MLG, have you played yet? Because once you play for 1 minute, you've played the most. Or, I guess me, I played the most. I must have put in at least 500 hours. How do I play it? Did I send you a key? Oh yeah, right. You need a Discord. Mikey Bo. Are you able to log into a consistent account on Discord? Yeah, because you're not on Discord. You signed up and you said you don't know how to log in. So I'm not gonna send it to the account I see. Message me on Discord. This is my real account with a picture of your face. And stands up and leaves. Sky Ninja. Everyone knows. You've played the most. Everyone knows. Although Triangles might give you a run for your money. I don't know how many hours Triangles has put in. I'm thinking about adding a build mode into my game so folks can create their own stations for the space game. Yeah. Build mode. Everyone loves a build mode. It's almost required nowadays. Everyone loves a build mode. Ah, Herman. Io Herman. How's it going? Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Feel free to introduce yourself. Are you going to set it up so that folks can export stuff they build into Steam Workshop? What is that? Triangles, I didn't even make your last one. Yeah. Oh, the ship in the bottle. I was waiting for Irish John to come back so he can give me a ship. I need a ship model. Although his ship models are crazy high res. Okay, the cat finally got off my lap so I can chat again. Yeah, Caveman, you have a top-down space game. Please share it. Please share it with the group. My wife finally posted on LinkedIn that she changed jobs and moved to Tokyo. I haven't announced it yet. Like, some of my family and friends do not know. I haven't put anything on social media. I've dropped some hints and some, like, things, but I never even said it. I don't know. I'm just waiting for the right moment. Yeah, you guys know more about me than some of my friends. All right, we got this devlog video. Let's check it out. I'm gonna skip through it. I want to see some visuals. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's fun. I like this. I'm getting Outer Wilds vibes. I've added a lot last week. Got asteroids, inventory system, components for the ships. Damn, that's nice. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. I like the very technical UI with numbers moving around. That first ship's like an escape pod. And your main ship is blown up. Damn, nice. Are you waiting until moving day? I think I'll start announcing it this week. Now that it's 1 week away. Oh my god, I'm nervous. So, since you're making a game like this, I hope you're following Red Cabin Games, who rated us the other day. You're part of the Red Cabin group? I'm leaving in 1 week. Are you kidding me, bro? Yeah, I'm leaving next Tuesday. It's Monday today. I'm leaving next Tuesday. Very cool, caveman. Very cool. I'm excited. I love it when you guys are working on stuff. Mikey Bo, did you message me yet? Oh, look. This is my real account. Okay, now you get your Steam key. See, you get your Steam key when you join the Discord. That's how it works. Oh, look at that. I already had one for you. Just didn't give it to you yet. There you go. And then, so ML Jesus and Mikey Bo, you get into the special secret. Wait, you're already in there. ML, there you go. Special secret Discord channel. Alpine Lake, 11.2 hours. That's crazy, Sky Ninja. You're crazy. I was just playing with space travel myself this weekend. Nice. Yeah, how's Space Marauders going? What do I do with this? You go to Steam and you redeem it. WTF, FB. WTF indeed. All right, I think I want to do a little refactoring. So this is gonna be boring. So I'm gonna add a cleanup function in the build zone controller. That's generic, and only the build zone controller is going to listen for the cancel. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make a role for your stream notifications on Discord. Do people want that? Do you guys want me to bug you on Discord that I'm going live? I mean, my schedule is gonna get consistent again, and you won't need it. I'm in a lot of Discord channels, and 4 or 5 of them do like the @ everyone, and I mute the @, but it still puts a little red 1 there, and I'm like obsessive about getting rid of those, so I still don't like them. I wish you can just say, don't notify me, and don't even show me that it's there. Just like 100% ignore it. Or maybe you know what I think I need a new kind of event that's build mode event. Build mode event. I need a build mode event, and what I'm gonna do is allow you to soft cancel and switch to the right one. So we just want to request start and a request cancel. Yeah, this is, so I was getting a little lazy. I was trying to repurpose events that already existed, but I needed a new one. And I'll pass the item, and I'll pass the player, or the cursor. Yeah, public. No, not the cursor. You can make reaction roles. Whoever wants to be notified can react to it. I don't know how to do that shit. I'm so bad at Discord. It took me like 6 months to figure out Twitch. You think I'm gonna get Discord bots going with emotes that assign roles and You're crazy. If someone does that for me, then I could do it, but... You will do it for me? All right, you send me the step by step, and I'll do it. I mean, I do want the Discord to be a little more professional, but I just can't bother with. It's too much, you know. How am I supposed to make a game and do all this crap? Sorry, I'm kind of ignoring you guys. We can always mute it if we need to. Yeah, but you're gonna get that little red one. I hate that little red one. I don't want you to have a little red one. I don't mind them. I'll mute the ones I don't watch normally. I haven't figured out how to ever get notified that he's live. Evie, go into settings. Go into your Twitch settings. Go into notifications. Go into individual channel notifications. And you can toggle all your followers, all the follow channels there. Is closing reopening easier than accepting a new item for the build mode? It is. It's gonna flicker. And it's gonna do a lot of stuff that I don't want it to do, like re-enable player controllers, re-enable the player GUI, where I need a new thing that's like clean this up and shift to a new one without doing all the garbage before. I set up a personal notification where I get a text message from the content creator every time they go. Yeah, you did. Have to hire a social media manager? So, it's funny you say that. You know, one of the regulars that comes through here, I won't out them, but they've expressed interest in that. I don't have any money. Not yet. I don't have any money. I can't do that kind of stuff. I'm just a regular guy like you all. You can tell them it's you? No. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like to lie to you guys. I'll keep secrets from you, but I will not lie. Wait, okay. Alright, so we got this new build event. Once the game releases and you are retiring from your millions, then you can hire them. Oh man, that'd be the dream, right? So, I don't mean to be an untech savvy jerk, but I have all the notifications set up on Twitch. So, and you're not getting emails when I go live? What email did you set up? Can I be a mod? I will do it in a jiffy. It's easier for me. Hang tight there, Sky Ninja. I can't make that decision right now. Not while I'm on live. Build control events. Now, build mode events. Okay. You get nothing. I don't know what to tell you. You're just gonna have to keep getting those personal text messages. $99, thank you. You're so good to my posture. I need to be slouched today. I'm so tired. Hydrate. I'm hydrating with coffee. Oh, it's that kind of day. How's it going, 99? 99's OG. 99 was like my first follower on Instagram that was not a friend. Did you know that, 99? That you're like one of the first? So e.height equals request close. Request cancel. Oh, you actually know what I should do is request change. Request change equals 2. On Discord, just give me 30 minutes and take my mod away. I'm comfortable you doing that, but you know, let's do it after. Let's do it after the stream. So request change. So if e dot control type does not equal this control type, that means we need to clean up. That means clean this up. Clean. Clean up. And then I basically want a function that cleans up, but it doesn't do anything. So here I'll say protected virtual void clean up. And then what I do want it to do is do this. So this is part of the cleanup. And ending a controller should clean up. So now what I got to do is replace all the places where we clean up. And replace it with this cleanup function. Try something, Dev. How's it going? Hello again. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hi. Hello. Oh my god, it's really freaking cold today. I'm freezing. I'm already in my hoodie. I'm wearing socks. There's nothing more I can do. Oh my god, 29C here today. I'm sweating. The humidity is at 82. Right now I'm dead on the inside. I'm so sorry. I am having the complete opposite experience. It's like 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, what is that, 12 degrees Celsius inside my house. I'm really bad with the conversion. I'm probably way off. You're always in that hoodie? It's when it's cold, I'm in the hoodie. It's when it's cold. I'm gonna have to go full hood though. Feels like it's 33. Yeah, I know that's cold. I know that's hot. I know that's hot. So I feel for you. It's almost spring here. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting to spring, right? Okay, so this we're not going to do anymore. We're not going to do this anymore. We don't need to do this. Goes Obide. 30 is hot, 20 is nice, 10 is cold, 0 is ice. Holy moly, we got a raid from Jotson. It's Jotson. Welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in, Jotson. How was your stream? How are you doing? Jesus Christ. What were you working on today? Were you working on the... So yeah, I saw the other day you were working on some tanks. Were you working on the tank game? Raiders, welcome in. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andrew. Working on a cozy life sim game called Alpine Lake. Play the trailer real quick. Ridiculous shipping today. Tank's side project later. Ah. Was telling these guys we need a link to Alpine Lake so we can wishlist it. Oh, dang. That is kind of you. I saw you working on the shipping game last week, I think. So did you finish the space game? Also, you know, people that were here, make sure to follow Jotson. Excellent Godot streamer, excellent game dev. And then sometimes you get bonus streams of Caves of Cud. Is that how you pronounce it? Caves of Cud? Gravity Ace. Came out in 22. Dome Keeper was 23. I want to publish something this year. Probably shipping game, but who knows. What was the roguelike space shooter that you were making, the top down? Was that Dome Keeper? No, I thought Dome Keeper was something else. Dome Keeper I've heard of. That's like... Oh, that's on hiatus. Okay, because that's how I was introduced to you, is you were working on that. Very cool. Well, if you want to drop any links of current projects, I don't think I have any links of yours. But make sure these games are out. So, guys, if you want to go play some of those games that Jotson's made, there's Dome Keeper, and here's Gravity Ace. Thank you for the raid, seriously. That's big. Today we're doing something boring. We're refactoring. You know, what can you do? Sometimes you need a refactor. But I'll play for a sec and show what we're doing. So, please don't throw any errors. I don't know where I left off the code. If you want to be a tester, get on the redeemables. Yeah, so right now we're doing an open alpha. If anyone wants to play Alpine Lake, there's a very cheap channel redeem. Giving out Steam keys. I have a few left. I have eight Steam keys left before I have to request some more. So I don't know if I will request more. I might just cap it at 8. That's that. And then the demo will come out probably in June. All right. So here's what we're doing today. So this game, it's not a farm sim. I know when you hear life sim, you kind of assume farm sim, but that's not what we're working with today. Today is it's an Innkeeper-Sim. So it's about building and decorating, and oh yeah, there's fishing. So right now I have these build modes, right? So you got to build floor, you got to build walls, and one of the complaints or not complaints, but suggestions from the testers was they want to switch from build mode to build mode on the fly. Because right now I have it as like, you know, these items in your hotbar. Jesus, you already redeemed that this morning. You need one for your wife. Okay. Jesus' wife. That's what you go in as. All right. So people wanted to switch from to the other build modes. So I'm working on this. I'm working on a whole build mode. Before it was just like a player controller mode. You pop in, you pop out, and that was it. It couldn't switch between different ones. It was very structured. But so now we're working on a way to basically see what the next item is in your inventory and then switch to that build mode. Probably complaints, yeah. Yeah, they weren't complaints. They're just, you know, suggestions. All right, so that's what we're doing today. Let me get you that key. Second key. There you go. All right. Yeah, so we're doing something boring. We're refactoring, but feel free to hang out. Also, if anyone in chat from Jotson's Raid wants to share what they're working on, I'd like to show off people's stuff here. I'd like to see what you're working on. Jesus, are you still working on your project? So you said you were with a group of friends doing a sprint. Thank you for the lurk, Ryan. And yes, of course there's fishing. Actually, it took me a couple of years to implement fishing because I didn't want to do it. I'm like, oh, every game is fishing. I don't want to do fishing. And then one day I'm like, maybe I'll add it. And then after like 5 minutes of starting to work on it, I'm like, oh my god, this is so much fun. So I just kept going with it. All right, so all these build modes, they have all this logic to cancel the build mode. But now I need an intermediate step that's just clean yourself up so we can move on to the next build mode. And we don't want to run all the code that's like go back to player functionality and re-enable the player GUI. We don't want any of that. So here we go. So when we cancel, what happens? I need to do some investigation. When we cancel a build mode, the room rebuilds itself and the linkers link back up. So we still want to run that, that's fine. Decorating ended. Okay, so here's where we do all the cleanup. Clear, toggle, set null, destroy, whatever. So here I'll say protected override cleanup. No, not awake. May I leave your basement? I need to stream for now. I will be back, I promise. Yeah, go do your thing. You are never forced to stay. This is Twitch. It's just a website. Alright, enjoy your stream, Sky Ninja. If anyone is interested in some Godot, or are you doing Roblox today? You can go follow Sky Ninja. Alright, so basically all this, and then do cleanup instead. And then what is the end controller mode? Anything that cleans up here. So input alerts, we need to hide the schema. Yeah, let's hide the schema. So GUI system enable navigation events? No, that's only when we end. GUI trigger request open GUI hotbar? No, we don't want to do that. Trigger the camera to follow the player? No, we don't want to do that. Show the player? No. And then finally request player control? No. So this is perfect. This is all the stuff we want to avoid. And we're good. I was curious, what tool did you use to generate those square preview images on Steam? Was that Photoshop or something else? Which square preview images? The GIFs? The animated ones. Yeah, the GIFs. So I made, I did screen captures. I did screen captures, and then I used the tool, a GIF creation tool, a website. Ooh, what was it? What was it? I'm pretty sure I saved it. It was a weird website. Game design resources? No. 3D resources? No. I'll have to find it. Create GIFs. It wasn't any of these. When you Google it, it's not any of these. Ugh. And you know who told me? It was Irish John. Irish John gave me this website. It wasn't this one, was it? EasyGIF? Oh, it was EasyGIF, yeah. I think it was EasyGIF. So check this out. Normally, GIFs are a pain in the butt to make, and the compression is terrible. But EasyGIF, the thing about EasyGIF that's nice is you can set the amount of compression you want by setting, I think it's by setting like the megabytes you want it to take up, and you can play with it that way. EasyGIF makes it easy. Hells yeah, it does. What up, dog? All right, Sky Ninja. You're not locked in here. Don't do that. Thinking to do something soon here? Yeah. Get that Steam page up. Always get that Steam page up. All right, so now that we have... So we need to implement this cleanup.
Fool of a took. Throw yourself in next time and rid us of your stupidity.
Oh my god, BitGamey. BitGamey. I was so upset yesterday when I went to do an emote of yours and it was gone. So I gotta get that sub back so I can have those emotes back. Your emotes.
It seems the army had taken advantage of Buster's childlike interest in games.
This is so much more fun than just the fur.
And his childlike inability to distinguish between games and reality. So they set him up as a drone pilot here.
When's the next time you go live, BitGamey? Also, good morning. How are you doing? Alright, so this one's good. So we need to implement this everywhere. Just copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. You're hoping my replacement PC arrives tomorrow so I can get back to streaming. Oh, what happened? Thinking of entering the Cinti Studios Game Jam. It's already started. Oh, I didn't know they were having one. That sounds cool. Okay, so this is what I need to implement everywhere. Let's just put it there, and then we'll come back to it and actually implement it. Build balls. Decoration. This is, okay, two more. Long story, but upgrading the old PC wasn't successful. Oh no, did it pop? That sucks. Secondary controller. This is unnecessary. Oh, and demolition mode. I need demolition mode. Demo. Nurkmine! Top of the morning to ya. How's it going? Alright, let me give some shout-outs. Oh my god! Michael's Unite. Alright, let me start with BitGamey. Shout out to BitGamey. Can't wait till he starts streaming again. And then we got Nurkmind. Michaels. We got all the Michaels. Oh my god, another raid. Risky Biscuit, how's it going? Risky Biscuit, how are you? How was your stream? Welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. I know I have a thing for you. Nightbot. But I forget what it is. Oh my god, where is it? I'm sorry. Got a raid and dash, but I hope you ever... Oh my god. Wait, drop a link to your Steam page. Why don't I have it? Why don't I have your damn Steam page? Wait, do you have a Steam page? No, you don't have a Steam page yet. That's why. You don't have a Steam page, right? Guys, Risky Biscuit's working on a really awesome Morse code horror game. But I can't drop any links, so follow him. You're gonna have to follow him for the links. And I gotta wait for a shout out. We just gave shout outs. Oh, horrible. Seriously, thanks for the raid. And you go do you. You go do you. We'll get you that shout out. But I think chatters, they know how to click a name and follow, right? FB101. Soon, FB. Alright. Alright, so what did we do? We added that function to all of these. Not sure if you saw the new emotes of my doggos and kitty that I recently added. I did not. Oh my god, these are great. These are great. That's amazing. I use cheer. I use cheer everywhere, and I use the heart one, the love, and the wave. Those are my go-tos. I feel like some people develop like an emote identity on Twitch. Like they always use the same emotes when they greet or when there's a reaction. And I basically assumed your emotes as my Twitch identity. I tried to remove the ones that are not so popular. I guess you do have statistics on that, don't you? Dog with glasses, that is yours. You always use that one. That is yours. I notice. Alright, so when we clean up floors, that's what we do. And we don't need to do anything else. Perfect. When we clean up doors, what do we do? What do we need to do? We need to remove the wall proximity listeners. We need to basically just do all this except end. Right? We need to destroy stuff. We need to set stuff to null. And then here we do clean up. Also, Sky Ninja, I thought you were going to stream. Oh my dog, I love that. Yeah, that's a good one. Sky Ninja, are you saying that your Twitch identity is Seto's? Yeah, same stuff. So we're all good here. Roofs. What do we do? How do we clean up roofs? Let's move this down to be consistent. Clear potential tiles, reset variables. We just, yeah, same stuff. We just don't leave. And oh right, and the hide schema. We need the hide schema. Wait, I don't have one here for doors? Okay. I'll just put it in here anyway. Clean up. Hide schema. Man, this is a pain. change your time zone randomly. I don't know. Maybe someone logged into your computer remotely from a new place. Then decoration controller. Ooh, look at that. Well, what do I do? Why do I put all this in end? I don't have a decoration. Wait, what? Place item. End controller mode. I just go straight to end controller modes. I don't have a decorating complete. Private void. Decorating complete. Clean up. And then end controller mode. Wait, end of day controller? No, end controller mode. Thank you. And then here, decorating complete. And then here, we put all this cleanup stuff. And should I be worried? It shows no new login locations. I don't have a VPN. Yeah, that is weird. Kara's Hest. How's it going? It's been ages trying to confirm my phone number to Twitch. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got some rules. Thank you for the follow. I have very light moderation settings. Should I don't know. What is the normal thing? What do the other streamers do? No moderation settings? Because I haven't seen anyone complain about stuff like that in anybody else's stream but mine. And it's default settings. I also don't get any spam, which is nice. No one ever comes in here and spams. But yeah, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Feel free to introduce yourself. Tell us what you do if you're a game dev or artist or anything. You spam? Yeah, you spam, but that's okay. Gifting you that sub kind of quieted you, didn't it? It worked. You get spam? I don't get spam. All I have is Libya and Saudi Arabia, which are the only places I have been to with this laptop. Yeah, that's strange. Kurt messaged me wanting to know how I get VIP status. There's another ploy to just shut you up. I was like, what will make him shut up? I'll try VIP. I'll try gifting a sub. I just don't know what works with you. Oh my god, thank you for the biddy. Thank you for that biddy. Everyone make sure to go follow Nurkmind. Thank you for the biddy reminder. They do have follow chat and they just follow and sell me. Yeah, I don't get any of that. Paying his way through. Yeah, it cost a penny to get a shout out here. Any bits get a shout out. No, it's not true. I cannot be bought. Nurkmind is a great channel friend. Georgia, I was kidding! Please don't give me bits for shoutouts. That's not a thing here. Stop it! You'll all get your shoutouts. Did not do this to steal the third spot. Nurkmind's got a diamond. Oh god, what have I done? Yeah, what have you done? Alright, well, I gotta wait for that timer. Oh my god, dog with glasses. Thank you for the biddies. Thank you for the biddies. What is happening? I am Michael, he is imposter. You are not Michael. I have no bits to participate. Your math is way off. What did you mean to do? Alright, no, seriously. I know you guys, I hope these were jokes, but Giorgio, also an excellent streamer. Working on Space Marauders right now, just a 3D Unity game. Space. Make sure to follow Giorgio. Dog with Glasses, working on a fishing game in Unity. Got a lot of fun bots on his stream. Make sure to follow Dog with Glasses on. Thank you for the bacon pancakes. My favorite song ever. Stream just went off the rails. Yeah, we'll get it back. Alright, where were we? Wall decorating. Gotta get through this. Okay, so we've got a cleanup function for all of these. We've got a cleanup function for all of these, and now we want to, in the build mode manager, build mode menu manager, that is a tongue twister. We don't want to request a cancel trigger. We want build mode event request change. Request no. Build mode event type change. And what do we pass? We pass the type and the item. So the type is the items type. So why do I even pass the type? Well, if there's no item associated with it, then that's fine. Okay, so activate controller on use, and then the item itself. Okay. It's a little silly to pass both, but whatever. This is where we are. All right, I'm getting freezing. Freezing. I hope everyone's doing well today. I know it's a Monday. Most people hate Mondays, but we're gonna get through this together. All right, so when we request a change, throwing this event, this will, I need a comment code. So this will clean up the current build mode stuff. So I want to wait one frame. I want to let it clean up. 43 minutes into my day, and I got a reminder for something someone emailed me about 15 minutes before close on Friday. Calm down. Tuna, how's it going? Calm down indeed. So after we wait one frame, which I don't know is actually necessary yet, and then I want to basically start next build mode. Very simple. It's just two things. Start next build mode. And the next... Actually, this function can basically do both. The request change, because if this... So this is the one we want to change to. We don't even need an IEnumerator. We don't need any of this stuff. We don't need any of this junk. Let's comment it out. And we'll just pop this bad boy here, pop this bad boy here, and then return. Okay, so throwing this event, we're going to request to change to this build mode. And if the build type equals... Well, if it doesn't equal the current control type of this build mode that we're in, then we clean up. If it does, then this is the one we want to start. So what do we need to do? We need to pass in... We need to basically use the item. You think I could do that? You think I could just say item.use? Item.request. So how do I use items? I need to just copy whatever the player state does to enter that. Player state. How do we use an item? So here's the equipped item, and how do I use it? Do I listen for inputs here? Item used? No. Cancel button was pressed. How do I use an item? I think it's the hotbar input manager. So yeah, right bumper, player busy, no? This is for shifting item selection. Player nav? Is it player nav? Might be the player nav. Some people. Right? There's some more shout outs, peeps. Drop them follows. Be nice. Be a nice Twitch person. Drop them follows. Yeah, so where do I actually listen for using items? I don't know. It's not here. Player movement controller. I need to follow the breadcrumb trail from request. Request use? Request item? No. Use item? Yeah. I do it here in the use item. Public virtual use item. So who calls you? The inventory script uses you. Who calls you? The inventory engine uses you. No.
You and me. Booyah, Grandma. Booyah.
So you know what I was doing last night is I was watching Adam C. Eunice. You guys see Adam C. Eunice here on Twitch? He's like a very, very big YouTuber. Now he does a lot of twitching. I gotta say, like, some people on Twitch, you know, they're making their thing, they're doing their thing, and they're kind of, you know, it's very like channel centric, and I will say he's very professional, keeps it very channel centric. But when someone asks for a critique on their work, he completely switches modes, and it's all about that person's work. And the critiques he gives are so good, and they're so like helpful, and they're not just like empty compliments. He really spends the time to give a well thought out, accurate critique. And you know, I don't see much of that on Twitch. It's pretty amazing. You approve of that emote? Yes, that's my favorite. Yeah, I use that one a lot. Are you gonna shout them out? Yeah, they don't need shout outs from me. I don't know how to spell his name. That channel does not exist. I don't know how to spell his name. I might be streaming a jam for a couple of weeks. Nice. There it is. Adam C. Eunice. He's also one of the only ones that streams at night. Like, there's a lot of streamers actually, but he's always like the top big streamer at night. And you've probably seen his YouTube videos. They're very big, very popular. Like stream tonight? No, this is it. PureWax9, thank you for the follow. How's it going? But if you want to see like a really talented dev doing really high quality work and someone gives really good critiques, check out Adam C. Eunice. Sound like every night. All right, so where do I use these stupid items? You know, weapon interactable, use equipped item. Oh, I throw an event, use request. That is so much. So much. Tomorrow morning's your 10th stream streak. Damn. That's a good streak. The longest streak I've seen someone have is a 45 stream streak. I'm surprised Twitch didn't just like bug out and cancel it. Does Adam use Unity? He does. He uses Unity and he makes his own custom tools. He draws all of his pixel art, and that's kind of what he's a pro at. He's a pixel artist. I really recommend giving him a watch. And he doesn't just look at anyone's artwork. You have to redeem, like a channel redeem. But, you know, when you do redeem it, he like takes the time to really look at it. Yours bugged out last time at 6? Yeah, I don't know why they do that. You had a 109 stream streak for Balint, but then Twitch got twitchy and reset it. Oh my god, 109? That's crazy. I think I have like a 3 stream streak for Balint now. He was in here yesterday. That was great. That was really nice to see him stop by. I don't like that I do this use request. I think I just want to grab it and use it without this request. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try just using it without grabbing it. So hotbar. Okay, yeah, the use request. Where to go? Cancel, close. That's what I was doing. I was following the breadcrumb trail to see what gets, like, what is the order of operations that happens. So when I say use request, we listen for it here. Case. And then we just use item, which, what does that do? It gives me an error if it's not usable. And if it requires energy, it uses the energy. It requires consumption, it consumes it. And then item used. Request, yeah, here we go. So it basically does this. Request player control, activate controller on use. Okay, so if I use that item, it doesn't actually do anything. It's all this. I have a better idea for what I can stream. I was thinking of what to stream, but now I got it. First time playing Alpine Lake stream. Sobliqui. I butchered the hell out of that. Thank you for the follow. I'll just call you Sob. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Feel free to introduce yourself. Sky Ninja. No one's ever streamed Alpine Lake yet. And people have asked me, and I kept saying, wait for a stable build, wait for a stable build. I think we're there. I think we're at a stable build. If you really want to stream it, go for it. I don't think you can stream alpha games. I'm not 100% sure. I'll allow it. If you want to stream it, go for it. Just don't, like, play it to death. Play it for, like, 15 minutes. I don't know. I'm weird about it. It's not done yet. So I don't know what does that mean? What do you guys think? Like, I mean, yeah, I didn't make anyone sign anything. It's honor system. I trust you all. Everyone who's redeemed the alpha has been around for a bit, and I trust you all. He said, "Go for it." I don't know what it means. What do you guys think? Should Alpine Lake be streamed right now in its current state? I don't think, like, if you do it, it's gonna get huge. You know, maybe if Pirate Software streams it, it might, like, get big when it shouldn't have. I mean, you're all cool people, but none of us are Pirate Software. Like, I see the category, 12,000 viewers in software dev. 10,000 of those are watching him. Thing is, Andrew, it might hinder your chances of getting a publisher. You think so? I'm not getting a publisher. It's not in the cards for me. I've tried. I've tried really hard. I don't think it's happening. So I just got to move on from that. Should we wait till the demo? Should I wait until the demo's out to allow streaming? Been trolling Twitch to find game devs. Also supposed to be like oblique. Oh, I see. So bleak. Just had an S and Y on it. Alright, I see. Sobleaky. I'm gonna call you Sobleaky. Welcome in. First time chatter. If you've given up on publishing, then sure, allow it. I don't know. I'll let you do whatever you want. I'm not even gonna decide. If you're gonna do it, I don't know. It's out in the world. You can do whatever you want. I'm not even gonna give you permission or not give you permission. So I think if I just call use item on... Alright, if I call use item on the inventory, that would work. I just can't decide whether I care or not. I'm having a hard time. So maybe don't. Yeah, maybe don't. Oh, actually, yeah. So, what is this? I basically call this only. This is the only thing that matters. So maybe what I do is... Okay, so maybe in the build zone menu manager, I don't just throw this event, I also throw this event. And now I know I can switch to it. I have no idea what this is going to do. Put a stream reward for being the first to stream it? I don't want to gamify it. Gotta run? Alright, Giorgio, thanks for hanging. Opening OBS. Requiem, do you stream? I didn't know. 50k Dash redeem? Nah, it's gamifying it in a weird way. I don't want to do that. Even though I'm all about games. That's like a little psychological. Some psychological warfare there. Oh, I didn't check my wish list this morning. Weekends are always terrible for wishlist for some reason. I don't know why. I never get any on weekends. Oh, I got a few. Okay. We're approaching 1,000. Slowly. If anyone feels like wishlisting Alpine Lake, please. I beg of you. However, oh, I streamed once last week for a demo of the project I'm doing with Nurkmind. Oh, wait, which one? Peas the Cheese? However, I'm not really actively creating content, I see. How long has the Steam page been up? It's been 6 months now. Launched in July? No, I started streaming in July. I think I launched in September. So it's been 5 months? Or 6 months now. The Cheese River. The bot that feeds. Nice. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I think I'm ready. I'm ready to test this. I don't know what's going to happen. I feel like things are going to flicker. Stuff's going to break. Cameras are going to fly around like they're broken, but... build controller, decorate event. Yeah. You don't need that. What is going to happen? I have no idea. You think it'll just work? No, it never just works. I say this all the time. You guys think it's going to work first time? Nope, never does. It never does. Why do I even ask? Sorry, I need that donut. It's more worrying when it works on the first time. Yeah. All right, let's do this. So, wall decoration mode. Okay, when I hit this button, will we enter floor decoration mode? Ready? Error. We got an error. It didn't work. I had a magic string bug where I was trying to count wood, but the resource was wood. Too clever. Wait, what? Oh, in the Twitch Plays Colony Sim. Ah. You gotta do dot to lowercase. ZT, are you making that in Unity or in Godot? What you doing? That one was practice. Yeah, it doesn't count. You get one freebie, right? So what was null? Wall proximity set. Nearby objects. That has nothing to do with anything. What? That should have never worked ever. Like, that literally should have never ever worked. The fact that that works, I mean, the fact that I got that error is so weird. Like, if I just enter wall decoration mode and I exit, why don't I get that error? Well, that's even weirder. Also, this is a build door controller. Why am I in the build door controller? Where did that... What? How? You're doing Godot. And everyone's doing Godot nowadays. Okay, I'm in wall decoration mode. I'm hitting to the left. And it's throwing an error for floor decoration mode. Oh, because I'm trying to clean up... I'm trying to clean up every single build mode, even though they're not activated. Duh. I need to say, only clean it up if it's activated. Jesus. So if... Oh my god, so stupid. So this, I don't need any of this. And if active... If not active, get the heck out of here. Get the heck out of here. What the heck are you doing? Alright, now it might work. It doesn't compile for 3 hours. Even 3 seconds is too much for 2024. I'm uncool. I'm still in Unity. Yeah, this is the uncool crew. You gotta run and be productive. Definitely be dropping in later though. So Bleak, thanks for the follow. Thanks for hanging out. You go be productive. And when you come back, you need to share what you were working on, no matter what it was. Even if it was just cleaning your kitchen, I want to see pictures of your sparkling clean kitchen. Same, yeah. Alright, we're in wall decoration mode now. We're going to switch to floors. It didn't do it. It didn't do it. How do you exit full screen? I don't know. I don't know. I don't have a Windows machine to test on. Alt enter, there you go. OBS won't pick up the game. Are you trying to stream it? Yeah, I don't know. Also, what is this number that's being thrown? Left button pressed. So, request change. It won't, it's kind of like stuck, right? So print, are we getting here? Get here. Let's follow the breadcrumb trail again. Build zone controller, we want to clean up, so clean us up. Clean us up, and us is plus name. We're gonna clean that up. And then we want to go to here, enter controller mode, print, trying to enter dis. Okay. Name. All right, let's follow more prints. Follow the prints. You gotta follow the prints. Oh no, it's 8:36. I hate the constraints of weekday streams. I just want to go until I want to stop. I have a lot of work to do at my real job. Oh boy. It's a doozy.
It seems the army had taken advantage of Buster's childlike interest in games.
This is so much more fun than just the fur.
And his childlike inability to distinguish between games and reality. So they set him up as a drone pilot here.
Requiem, I am a 3D artist. I'm a visual effects 3D artist. I do VFX for like commercials, broadcast, and advertising. Ready? Wait, trying to enter build wall controller. Okay. So... What? First we tried to enter it, then we got here. How did we try to enter it first? Oh, because that's when we... Okay. So here's the problem. We're not actually switching to the new item. Show the sphere? I showed it yesterday. I don't know how to do that stuff, BitGamey. I keep saying this, I'm a Twitch noob. I don't know how to do fun stuff like that. Do I need like a link to it? It's kind of dropping in Verizon's Instagram. This thing. I made this thing. Not alone. I'm, none of these things are single people. This is what I do for day job. This was fun. I went to see it in person. But I didn't get to see it at night. And in the daytime, it doesn't look very good. Look at how sick I am. Cough, cough. No, I'm not sick. Fighter of the night job. Day job. Protector of the night job. I need that. Oh my god, I need that. That's my next redeem that I have. So, what's next? We need to figure out why this is trying to pass in the same thing that we're already using. Build mode, menu, return, print. We found this item. Item name. It's possible that this index is not right. Love that song. Day job. I send light through space from Vegas night. Wait, night job. I'm modeling wacky boys. Yeah. Or it's not even a night job at this point. It's like early morning job. This is my morning job. And then I got a day job. And then my night job is, I don't know, struggling to stay awake. Jesus Christ, Twitch. You're killing me. Some of these VTuber models are ridiculous. I'm on the homepage of Twitch just to see who I'm gonna raid next. And some of these VTuber the PNG tubers, whatever. Very bouncy. We'll just keep it at that. Which I'm okay with. It's just funny. All right, so we're in floor decoration mode. If I hit to the right, we want to enter wall decoration mode. Boom. Trying to enter build floor controller. We found foundation. We found foundation. We found foundation. So it's returning the item we're already selected. So current index. That's the problem. We want current index to be skipped. So here we want to say if current index equals index continue. I think this is what we want. After we do the nonsense, which basically means we always skip 0. So I could just do this. I could just set that to 1. It'll never be 0. Okay. Let me just give myself a note. We start at 1 because 0 is always the currently selected item. I don't like that I have 2 functions here that basically do the same thing. It's just this one, the for loop goes backwards in indices, and then this one, the for loop goes forward, and the calculation on how I get the current index is a little different, so I just couldn't figure it out. So I have 2 functions that do the same thing. I know, it's so gross. Speaking of raiding, raid me tomorrow? Hells yeah. Gives me a deadline. Okay, cool. Yeah. We'll do it. We're gonna raid Tuna tomorrow to test the Twitch colony game. Alright, so we're entering build wall mode. Boom. We did it. So trying to enter build door controller. No, we went the wrong way. Wait, I hit left and it went forward. Oh, it's because the left needs to be -1. We start at -1. It's funny, there's a couple of people I like raiding, but they start at 9:01 and I end at 8:59. And every time I'm like, oh yeah, I should have just hung around for 1 more minute to raid them. Should I do that today? I got my eye on something, actually. Alright, here we go. Wall decoration mode. We're gonna go left to floor decoration mode. Look at that, we entered it, but everything's busted. And we're gonna go back to walls. Or back to doors. Back to doors, back to doors, back to doors. Oh god, no. It's so broken. It's so broken. What is happening? This is crazy. Yeah, I don't know. This is not an easy thing to do. The way I structured my build modes, they're not like, you know, they're very independent of each other. Flooring, go right. We should hit walls. Look at that. Trying to enter walls, great. Clean up flooring, enter walls. Yeah. So it just didn't do a lot of the initialization stuff. Like, we don't have a cursor. Like, why didn't it do any of the initialization stuff? Oh, I think I know why. It's because it requires a decoration event. It requires a decoration event as well as the player request control event. It requires 2 events. I forgot about that. We're actually almost there. We're almost there. So equipping in place is one thing, but the player state. So we use the equipped item. But pick up item, interact with selected interactable. Where is it? Where is the enter? Here we go. So decoration item interaction. What do? We just use it. That's all we do. We only trigger this. It's possible that yeah, there's something else. There's one more thing I need to do. And if I go into the build controller mode, enter build or enter controller mode. So that is done by the player controller. But there's another one. Place foundation, spin, decoration canceled. Where is it? Is it this one? Is it secondary controller? Oh my god, where is it? So here's what happens when we enter the build mode. So what are we expecting? We're expecting an item. Who calls you? The enter controller mode. And how do we get that? We get the currently selected. We get component. We don't need to get component. Let's just do inkeep game manager dot instance dot player state. Player state. We don't need to do a get component there. So we get the equipped item. So actually what it's expecting is the proper item. So the wrong item is selected. We didn't select the right item yet. So we got to select the item before we can throw that event. So how do we select an item? We select an item in the hotbar input menu, and we do that very, very simply. We set selected. That's all we do. GUI system set selected. The hotbar is not active though. So I don't know if you can do this without the hotbar being active. Play on shift vertical. So what happens when an inventory slot is selected? We need to mimic that without calling this. So let's grab the inventory slot. See the functionality. We just need to mimic it just a little bit, not fully, just a little bit. So when set selected, on select, what do? We say we select this item. That's it. Is it just this? We just select this item. When a slot gets selected via a mouse over or a touch, triggers an event for other classes to act on. Okay. We're almost there. So we'll do this first. And the index is, ooh, I know that. So the index is lowercase index. And the target inventory name is inventory dot name. What is this? What is this? It's trying to pass the slot itself. Oh, I have that too. I have that too. It's hotbar dot inventory display dot slot container. No. Maybe index dot get component. I don't want to do a get component here. That's annoying. Inventory slot. Okay. Is that it? So we passed the slot, the name, the item, and the index. Okay, this might work. I don't know. This might work, and if it doesn't work, we gotta raid out and fix it later. Sky Ninja. He's streaming Alpine Lake. I see him there. That's a world first. World first. Making ability system with the grid on floor difficult. Oh, is making ability system with the grid on the floor difficult. It was probably the bulk of the dev for the first 6 months to figure out like how to do it. It was a pain. It was a little bit of a pain. All right, here we go. So we're in flooring. We need to go to walls. Boom. Walls. Didn't fully work. It still didn't initialize properly. All right. We're gonna have to figure that out some other time. And for now, what we're gonna do is raid out. Switch to these credits. Look at these credits. We got new followers. Thank you everyone for the followers. The subs and resubs. Thank you me to gifting Mikeybo to get him to shut up. The biddies. Oh my god, so many biddies today. And those awesome raids. Jotson, Risky Biscuits. Thank you guys. Thanks everyone for hanging out on this Monday. We didn't get too much work done. And triangles, I gotta write down that second redeem that you asked for, which was a flag. Make ship in the bottle. Make a Jolly Roger flag? Jolly Roger flag? I don't know how I'm gonna interpret that one to be a cozy item you decorate your inn with, but yeah, I totally stole this from Irish John. He had credits. I'm like, I don't know. Is it hard to implement? Oh no, it's one button. Great. So I put it in here. Requiem stream session, perhaps? Is Requiem streaming right now? I had a target in mind. Oh, wait a minute.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
Oh my god, it's so big. So I did have a target in mind. I was gonna go somewhere new that I've been to, but I might have to do something else now. There's too many options. There's too many options in the morning. How do you choose? How does one choose? Oh my god, this is weird. Clayman is on. I did Clayman last week. All right, I'm gonna go to this new person that I just met, and it's gonna be great. They're working on a similar cozy style game, which I like. You know, I like rating people making similar stuff too. We're gonna go to Rainlight Studios. No, not Raidlight. Yeah, okay. Keeping it cozy. All right, everyone. Thanks for hanging. I'll be back tomorrow. And yeah, I love you guys. Ah, what a good way to start a Monday. I'll catch you all. Yeah, catch you all tomorrow. Bye bye.